program. I was very happy to inform the people of Barnstaple that they need to come out to the consultation so that they could make representation for their road, and we were able to approve. And this is the first of 10 road on the Sparks program. And when I visited her recently, she expressed a great desire to meet the Prime Minister. And so I told her that once Prime Minister comes to the parish and the constituency, I would take him to her. And here I am delivering yet again on another promise.
So she is like a matriarch?
Yes, for the community.
For the community.
Well respected.
Yes.
This is her son?
Yes. How are you?
I'm good. Happy to see you.
No, pleasure is mine. Yes. It is indeed for me a privilege to come and visit your mom.
Yes, she's overly excited.
A big surprise, and not telling you who. Just keep looking, you soon see who. The Prime Minister.
Yes! God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. Oh my Lord, oh my Lord, oh my Lord. Oh Lord, God bless you.
Oh,
God bless you, God bless you.
Miss Rhoda, tell me
Yes.
that you are the matriarch of the community.
Yes, she always come on where she is. She are here. Always come to look for me and help me.
And she told me that one of your greatest wishes was to have the road in your community.
Yes.
How long have you lived in this community?
Never.
Any communities there?
Yes.
Well, we are happy to be able to hear it. I'm trying to do my best.
Yes, true. And takes good care of me.
Prime Minister there. Let's touch him. Long time. Prime Minister. Tell me what. It's the Prime Minister.
Where's our mommy?
Here. Go on, let you bring.
Where's our mommy?
So
she wants Prime Minister to buy a book. A textbook.
Vicky?
Yes, Daddy, show them how you do it.
Testing 1, 2. Good evening, people of Barnstaple. Show a labor rights. Show a labor rights. It's good to be in your community once more, and it's very
Sorry about that. No. Yeah.
Alright, tonight is a very special night because we have our Prime Minister in your community, and as you can see, we're standing on a brand new road that is under construction. 10 roads that will be constructed under the Sparks program in our constituency. I remember in 2020 when I came to this community, your greatest desire was to have a road. At the time I was 31 years of age. I am from this area, and you know like I do that we have never had a proper road in this community. And I made the commitment that once you elected me as your member of parliament, you will get a brand new road with proper drainage infrastructure. Thank you for your love and your support. We can continue the excellent work that we started. But you will see me again and again. So I'm about to pass the mic to Jamaica's most successful Prime Minister, the true Jamaica boss, one brother.
So you're right. I want all of you tonight here in this constituency to remember the good work of Rhoda Crawford. Give her a big hand because she has served the world. I want to beg of you. You got rid of one non-performer 5 years ago. And there's another non-performer who wants to replace a non-performer. Alright, you know who I'm talking about. A man who can't point to one single thing that he has done in the parish for many years that he has occupied the position. And so they're coming now with your loose promises and all sort of mischief, trying to do something that they can't do. But we're not going to give them any chance. You agree? You agree you can't give them another chance? You have to stick with performance. And that is what this government of Holness and the Jamaica Labour Party has been doing since 2016. But I want to beg you, I want to tell you, there is nothing wrong with Jamaica. Jamaica is moving in the right direction. The only thing that will be bad for Jamaica is the People's National Party. So, as we tour the constituency today, we have seen signs of real improvement. We are seeing the work of a member of parliament who understand what it means to offer representation. And all of you here should be proud has been a good MP. She has been honest. She has been true to you. And I have been here with her, and I can tell you I am proud of Rhoda. You now have to return that favor by giving her the chance to continue to do the work that she has started since 2020. Because the man who was here before never really mean really good. All that he wanted was power. And so I see that the Prime Minister of Ghana up. So labor rights. So the man run leave, you know. Run leave, you know, run down. And let me tell you, had any feelings care for you. After him lose, you would have said, you know what, make us stay with them and work with them. But you see Rhoda through good times and bad times, and that is what you want. But I'm warning you, don't make the mistake and vote for that other man, because if it's from the same vine, them think the same way. It's only power they want. And when they get power, they don't know how to use it. So I am saying to you tonight, labor rights, you made a change in 2020. Let us stick to the change that you have made. You've been getting good representation. And don't make nobody fool you. Don't make them tell you that they're going to build a new market. I lie them a tell. Lie them a tell. So you don't listen to them. So right now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to it. I don't hear you. What time it is? So hear me now. Prime Minister for 1 term. Prime Minister 2 term. Prime Minister 3 term. Let's welcome Andrew Holness.
Earlier in the town of Mandeville that our campaign is not going to be an ear war. We are going to campaign on the ground. We are going to go to every nook and cranny in Jamaica and talk to the people one-on-one. We are not going to rely on anyone else to take our message, twist it, editorialize it, and change what we want to communicate with the people. I have been on the road for the last year. I haven't come off the road. I've been literally all around Jamaica. And the reason why I can do that is that I am not afraid to face the people. Normally, a government that is in power is sometimes afraid to face the people because they have no performance to back up their talk when they go into communities. I have significant achievements under my belt. Yes. My government, your government, that I administer on your behalf, has achieved some of the things that you thought would never be achieved in your lifetime. There are some who would wish to dismiss the value of performance. And you will see comments like, you're doing your job, it's your job, and you should be rewarded for doing your job. Then they pivot to say, what's next? What's new that you're going to do? And I agree that I am doing my job. I agree that we should also make commitments about what the future will be. Because the vote is not only a reward for past effort, the vote is also confidence in future undertakings of the government. So therefore, you have two choices to deal with in this election. The first choice is performance. The second is promise. The PNP has no performance. If a decision were to be made today on performance, we would say the JLP win already. I have a book here, the booklet, which is widely circulated. People ask me for it, as if people in the audience have always asking, they want to see what we have done. They like it in black and white. They can go online and get it. In fact, I can tell you, more people have asked for our achievement book than have asked for any document of the PNP's manifesto. It's a funny thing, Minister. Jamaicans overseas have called me to say, Prime Minister, send a stock of the books overseas. And I said, but you can download it online. Them say, no, they want the book, the booklet, they want it. It's a keepsake. Because it is the first time ever that any government is able to come to the people with a document of performance. Now, I want to use this small meeting in the square of Barnstable in the constituency of Central Manchester to illustrate the point about performance. Rhoda told you the story of an elderly lady, the matriarch of the community, who said to her, when you win, Miss Rhoda, you have to fix this road. As an MP to get roads fixed, it's really serious competition with other constituencies. Anyway, this road is being fixed under a national program. Every constituency gets an allocation, so there is no favoritism. It's a national program. It's called the Spark program. The government of Jamaica decided that we have done very well in building highways, but the roads that take you from your gate to the highway. So I came here today and I was taken to meet this elderly for 2 years, and her road was never paved. All of you who live here can attest to that in Barnstable. The road was never paved. I'm using this as an example because when the rest of Jamaica hear us in Parliament talk about the Spark program and they don't see it in their community, they say the government just is a sham, is a scam, not so. Not true. Right across Jamaica, 660 roads will be repaired. It is not patchwork. It is total rehabilitation or total reconstruction of the roadway. This roadway in Barnstable that is being done, it has been remodeled, a new subbase put in, and you know what I like? They have put in drainage along it. Nice drainage. In some areas, they will have sidewalk. They will make provision for persons who have to use wheelchair. They will put in place the necessary signage, stop, slow, leave. And this road will be built with the necessary camber, meaning the road will have a certain curve to it to pitch the water to the drain. This will be a well-built road that will last you for at least 7 years before it needs any rehabilitation. But we are going to ensure that when the slightest crack occurs in this road, we will maintain it before it turns a pothole. That is the Spark program. We won't be able, in one budget allocation, to fix every bad road in Jamaica. But what the electorate can take from this is, one, the government of Jamaica in 52 years, 52 years, because some people talk as if bad road only started in 2016. No. 52 years, band, stable and nice little community. The road was never paved. The PMP come and them bad mind the work, them see the work going on, and you know the usual PMP propaganda, they come and say, them just scrape off the road and no work now go on. And you know that, in other words, the PMP think that we are going to do what they always do. We are not like them. And the MP said, now that it is being fixed, they're spreading another lie that they are doing it. Lie! This is being done under the Jamaica Labour Party. You know, the PMP is a bare-faced and lie. It's one thing, you know, for them to be bare-faced and lie. It's another thing because you have some people under the Spark program. And this road is like hundreds of roads being fixed right across Jamaica. The Spark program will be continued in our next budget. So this program was consultative. We met with the communities and the communities decided the priority. We're going to make another allocation for Spark 2 in our next term, where we will undertake another 600 roads right across Jamaica. So the two things to take away is, one, the government has a program in place to fix your community roads. I know your roads are one of the biggest concerns, the other is water. Here I'm addressing roads. I am not making you an empty promise. I am making a commitment based upon performance. You can see we have performed, and therefore, if a man tell you, say, he might go do something, and you see him do it before, and the next man come and tell you, say, him going to do the same thing better, but you never see him do it yet. Which one? And some from where? No credibility of performance. Make you a promise, and if you hold on to that promise, then you know what it is to have that comfort. I say to you, the people of Barnstable, I know you have already made up your mind. You have seen what we have done. But I urge you to tell your friends, I urge you to speak to your family members and your co-workers and your church sisters and brothers. Now is the time to choose wisely. You have a choice between performance and promise. What will it be? You have a choice to choose Jamaica. I urge you to choose the Jamaica Labour Party. God bless you. Love you.
Thank you, Prime Minister. While Prime Minister gets back to his vehicle and get the stage loaded to the truck, we'll play music for 2 minutes. Quickly go by that greenhouse, the Curlew's residence. Get your refreshment, we're heading out. Play some music.